sir. Sir, this firmware is totally black box. No symbols, no source, no clue which encryption they are using.
We're training an AI that can automatically identify encryption algorithms from firmware, even when no code or symbols are available.
What is this?
In today's world, India's embedded systems face an invisible threat.
The challenge in modern cybersecurity is the black box analysis of embedded firmware, consisting critical but often hidden cryptographic implementations. To address this, we present CryptoFilm, an AI-powered firmware analyzer. CryptoFilm uses advanced pattern recognition to identify primitives like AES, RSA, and SHA across diverse architecture. Our first step is to upload the firmware binary for a security assessment. The analysis process is straightforward. We simply drag and drop the firmware film and choose our target configuration. For multi-architecture support, CryptoFilm allows explicit selection across platforms like ARM, MIPS, RISC-V, and AVR for automatic detection. With the binary loaded and 4 analysis options embedded, including threat pattern analysis and vulnerability scanning, we start the process in just 30 seconds. The analysis completes. CryptoFilms identifies 5 distinct algorithms and provide 94% average confidence. The detected algorithm tab immediately classifies strong cryptotypes, primitive like AES 256, CBC, RSA 2048, and SHA 256, with high confidence, early marketing them as secure implementations. Usually at endpoints, weaknesses, a simple XOR simpler is flagged with a weak rating alongside an 87% confidence of its use, requiring immediate recommendations. All finding, raw data, and security insights are available for immediate export in a comprehensive report. The report section offers a full achieve. We can easily filter by dates and severity. For instance, showing all high security reports for the last 7 days. Each report provides a detailed exclusive summary, methodology, security analysis, and vulnerability assessment. Reports can be viewed directly or downloaded as secure PDFs for sharing or achievable. Finally, in the account setting, we can manage user profiles, change security settings like password and 2FA, and set preferences like default target architecture for faster analysis. CryptoFilms is a unified AI/ML framework needed to automatically identify and internet cryptographic implementations in black box firmware, meeting the critical demands of modern embedded security.